Hi, I'm Nomvuyo Tena, conference producer for POWERGEN Africa. Today I'd like to discuss with you the POWERGEN Africa maintenance webinar taking place on the 12th of May at 1 p.m. Central African Time. We all know that maintenance plays an integral role in the power generation sector. With COVID-19, we've seen a universal decrease in the demand for power, and this has created a window of opportunities for IPPs, utilities, and municipalities to ramp up much-needed maintenance. So join us at the webinar where we'll be discussing how to plan cost-effective maintenance. We'll be looking at areas such as advice for African utilities who sometimes face constraints in terms of inadequate capacity or financial constraints. We'll also look at technologies and processes that should be on the radar for African utilities, and as well as opportunities and growth areas for the private sector. So click on the description below to join us at the webinar where you'll be able to interact with key thought leaders in the maintenance sector. Looking forward to seeing you there.